Okay, welcome back to how to increase your conversions in your marketing. Now we're going to conclude by just wrapping up some of the thoughts that we've been having and what we have been seeing. And basically, one of the things that you can do to increase your conversions really starts before you even start marketing at all, and that is dazzling your customer with your actual product. And if your product is dazzling, it really almost takes care of itself in terms of what you're really offering. Are you really giving them something that really dazzles them? And in some cases, when we have a digital product or we're putting something together that comes out of our experience or our thought, we want to make sure that it really does really dazzle our customers. Okay, and this will help us to write good headlines. It'll motivate us to write great sub headlines. And sometimes one of the reasons why it's difficult to write for a product is that we're not all that excited about it, and we're not sure if it's going to really just knock their just really get them off to a great start in their life, or really push them further in terms of what they want. That's what we want our products to do. We want it to dazzle our customers. We want to get into their emotions and understand our customers in our product design and in our copy. We want our customers to feel like we get them, that we understand. We want to give them more of what they want. It's not about what we want. It's what they want. We want to get into we want our copy to really let them know and convince them that this is the product they need to buy, and they need to buy it now. Why? Because it's giving them more of what they really want. And so we mesmerize them. We hold them still with our story, right? We mesmerize them. Okay, and then we get them involved with us. We get them involved in our company, or in every aspect of our business. We want them to feel as if they are involved with us. Now, these are things that, they're not things that you can necessarily look at on a particular page, but they are really what we have been talking about throughout the video course. You'll see these elements throughout. Now, you should take these 5 elements and go back through your products and services and see, have you really dazzled them with what you're offering in your copy? Do you really is it really evident that you get your client, you really know them? Are you giving them more of what they want? Is that evident in your copy? Did you tell a good story as to why this is important? Did you allow them to be involved in you? Did you get there? Are you involved with them on social media? Okay, see, all these things are important. They will help you to increase your conversions. Now, in the last video, we're going to get into more of our concluding thoughts on increasing conversions. And with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.